How to make yourself throw up. The quickest way to make yourself throw up is to use clean fingers to trigger your gag reflex. Here's how to do it. Wash your hands and cut your nails to avoid scratching your throat. Pull your hair up, if you have long hair, to get it out of your way. Choose where you are going to vomit it. Can either be in the toilet or bucket seat. Down or kneel in a way that does not press your abdominal area. You do not want extra pressure over your stomach. Insert your index finger into your mouth and reach towards the back of your throat. Press the finger down in the back of your throat as far as needed to trigger your gag reflex. Once you start feeling nausea, removing the finger quickly. You will likely throw up right away if you feel nausea but cannot throw up. Try once again. Wash your hands after vomiting. Rinse your mouth and do gargles with plain water to remove leftover stomach acid from your mouth and throat. Do not brush your teeth until 30 minutes after you throw up. Your enamel will be sensitive after coming into contact with your stomach acid. The Gas and Cures team want you and those close to you to live a healthy, happy life. Your health is a valuable thing. Look after your health and your mind so that you can live your life to the fullest. Remember, you only get one. Please share this with your friends and family and do let us know what do you think in the comments below. This video is only for informational purposes. Do not self-diagnose or self-medicate, and in all cases consult a certified healthcare professional before using any information provided in this video. The editorial board does not guarantee any result and does not bear any responsibility for any harm that may result from using the information provided in this video.